Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to allow messages from server members on the Discord app for PC after the new update. If you've been wondering where the option went or how to turn it back on, don't worry. It's really simple once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen with your servers and chats, look down to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see your username and a small gear icon right next to it. That's the settings button, and this is where we'll begin. Click on that gear icon to open your user settings. Now that you're inside the settings menu, you'll notice a list of sections on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the one labeled Content and Social. This is part of the new update, and it's where Discord has grouped settings related to privacy, messaging, and social interactions. Go ahead and click on Content and Social to move forward. Inside this section, look under the heading called Social Permissions. This is the important part. The option you're looking for is called Direct Messages. By default, it may be turned off, which is why you may not be receiving DMs from members in your servers. To allow messages from server members again, simply enable the toggle for direct messages. Once you've turned it on, Discord may ask you to confirm your choice. This is just a quick step to make sure you're allowing server members to contact you directly. Go ahead and confirm that, and you're all set. From now on, you'll be able to receive direct messages from members of the servers you're part of, just like before. That's it. It only takes a few clicks, and you're done. Now you know where to find the setting in the updated layout of the Discord PC app. If you ever want to turn this option off again, just repeat the steps and toggle it back. Thanks for watching.